Join me as I hunt down the craziest real estate deals out there and see if I can secure a property for an unbelievable price. Property deals are a vital part of the property market, and knowing how to find and capitalize on them can be a game changer for investors, buyers, and sellers alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding how to identify and secure amazing deals can make all the difference in your real estate journey. When it comes to finding great deals, many of us face similar challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is market competition. Everyone wants a piece of the pie, and it can feel like there's just not enough to go around. You might find yourself fighting against other buyers, investors, and even real estate agents to get your hands on a property. And to make matters worse, it can be tough to know where to even start looking, especially if you're new to the game. Another common obstacle is lack of resources, whether it's a limited budget, restricted access to financing, or simply not having the right connections. You might find yourself wondering how others seem to snag all the best deals while you're left struggling to get your foot in the door. And let's not forget the sheer amount of time and effort it takes to research and analyse properties, only to come up empty-handed if the figures don't stack up. Market conditions can also play a huge role in our ability to find great deals. Fluctuations in prices, interest rates, and even government policies can all impact the property landscape, making it difficult to navigate and find those hidden gems. And finally, there's the emotional aspect, the fear of making a mistake, the pressure to make a decision quickly, and the anxiety of dealing with unknown variables. It's no wonder that finding great property deals can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you there are ways to overcome these challenges and uncover amazing deals that others might be missing? From networking with the right people to use cutting-edge research techniques, there are strategies and tools that can give you an edge in the market. By leveraging technology and staying ahead of the game, you can find properties that others might be overlooking and secure deals that can make your wallet smile. One of the most powerful strategies is building relationships with the right people. Think agents, whether it's residential or commercial property agents, property managers, and even other investors. These connections can provide you with valuable insights, exclusive access to off-market properties, and even partner opportunities that can help you grow your portfolio. Another key approach is to focus on research and analysis, using tools like property databases, market reports, and even social media to identify trends and patterns that can lead you to hidden gems. Additionally, staying up to date with the latest technology can also give you an edge in the market. From AI-powered property finders to online marketplaces that connect buyers and sellers. There are a plethora of tools and platforms that can help you to streamline your research and find deals that others might be missing. And finally, it's essential to stay flexible and adaptable. Being willing to think outside the box and consider unconventional strategies can help you to stand out in the crowded marketplace. I'd like to share a personal story that really drives home the power of these strategies. I was working with a client who was desperate to find a property in a specific neighbourhood. But every time we thought we'd found the perfect deal, it would slip through our fingers. That was until we connected with a local property agent, residential agent, who had an off-market property that fitted our client's criteria perfectly. We were able to secure the deal, and our client ended up with a property that exceeded their expectations. It was a huge win and a testament to the power of building relationships and staying adaptable in the face of challenges. That's the kind of success that's possible when you use the right strategies and tools to find amazing real estate deals. So by applying these principles, you can start securing properties that will drive your property goals forward, whether that's building a portfolio, flipping houses, or simply finding your dream home. In summary, the key to finding amazing property deals lies in networking, research, technology, and staying adaptable. By following these strategies, you can overcome the common challenges that hold so many people back and start achieving the success you deserve. Thank you for watching, and I'd love to hear from you, particularly if you've got a property problem that you want to solve. Get in touch with me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. We solve people's property problems, we transform the value of property, and we get great returns for investors. Cheers for now.